Style my twists with me. We're taking them from old to new. Hey guys, it's your girl Adepreia Maake back with another video. If you're coming back, subscriber, welcome back. And if you're here for the first time, hey, welcome to the family. Do not forget to go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button for a girl. So let's get right into it. I start with beeswax, and I'm basically going to put that on my hair and just curl it in to get that new braid effect. Just recently braided, you know what it is. So I've already done the entire side where my hair will be showing, and I'm just gonna go ahead and tie that up into a pony so we can retwist the front part so we get that, you know, just done braids look going on. While tying the pony, I'm going to leave a line or two from the back to wrap around. You can see all the work I am putting in the face. Like, you know, a lot of effort really went into this. Tying this hair is work. So yeah, so I tied the hair up and I'm unbraiding the front part so that I could retwist it like I did on the side, just so that we rejuvenate them and have them looking young, you know, some plastic surgery going on. Okay, I did not retwist the entire front part. So basically what I did is took out like an L, which is the part that will be showing, that will be visible. And as for the rest of the interior front, you know, I'm just tucking it away. And I'll be holding it down with this clip before we add it into the pony. So now I'm just retwisting the braids that are actually visible, you know, rejuvenating them, giving them the plastic surgery. So yeah, we're twisting them, and I'm gonna do this entire L because that's the part that is showing. Roll, rejuvenate me. I just felt like that's what my braids were saying to themselves during that process. But after we're twisting them, I'm going ahead and putting them in to the rest of with the interior part that I already laid down with that clip earlier on. Yes, so I'm putting them down, you know, getting them together so they look decent. And I'm just there tucking them in so that we add them into the ponytail and we do the look that we are going for. We have reached the back, so we finally put all the hair together, and now we tied it up, and now we're going ahead and styling the back part of the hair. So basically what I did is braid the tips of it and tuck in the tips to the pony or the thing that I tied around. I don't know what it's called, but whatever it was, that it's not a string, it's a rope crunchy that you tie on your head for an afro. But yeah, that one. And then I tied that on, and basically I left hair at the back that I could use to wrap around so that hair tie thing is not visible, so it looks like, you know, the whole hairstyle was just done with a twist. So I wrap that string around with the twist, and now I'm just going on to fix it because it looked like a mess. But we're fixing, and now we're styling. We remove the clip because we're not going to need it. We just needed to lay down the hair. So now we're going to remove it as we continue styling. Now my hair was a bit at the back, so I decided to pull out a bit, and that does not ruin the hairstyle, you know, if you want some more hair in front, because there's no point in the hair being in front if it's not going to be my face, right? So yes, I put the hair, and I know, just making sure that it did the things that it did, and we are done. And it was just such a quick hairstyle. And there we go. Look at them brand new. I realized that my braids were so old when I watched this video. Like, yo, guys, I stayed for so long with this braids. But anyways, we looked good and it was done. And I'm just gonna go ahead and spice it up a bit with a bow tie and a clip, you know, because it will just, you know, rejuvenate the entire look, the entire plastic surgery look under budget. You know what it is. And if you've gotten to this part of the video, you know what it is. You like your girl's content, so do not forget to hit that like button because that really supports my page and helps more people to see it.
If you've reached to this part of the video, boys and girls, you know what it is. Do go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button because you automatically already become part of the family. And